Yes, welcome back. We will be going ahead with the delete operation implementation. Okay, I had asked you a question before I completed the previous class. Is this the thing that is only required for the delete operation, or should I go for anything else other than this? Any other comments from your end? Okay, I did mention that what if there is exactly one node available? What if the linked list is empty? Okay, all those things are not taken care as part of this function. So that is missing. Okay, um, so let's begin with that. When can I tell? Okay, I want answer from your side. When can I tell there are no nodes in the linked list? What is the condition? Jaldi. If first is null, correct. If first is equal to null, I will tell that linked list is empty. Okay, so I will write printf linked list is empty, can't delete. Fine. Next, I'll write return. What is the condition for a singly linked list having only one node? Only one node. If there is exactly one node in the linked list, what is the condition? Anushka has commented current is equal to first. Any other? Yes, first arrow link is equal to null. Correct. According to me, both are correct. Okay. To be very simple, I have done current equal to first assignment afterwards. So let me write if first arrow link equal to null. It means there is exactly one node. So what I will do? I will write printf last node to be deleted in single linked list. Node is %d/n. What should I write here? What should I write here? Can anybody comment? What %d includes? Correct. First arrow info. You're right. Okay, then I have to free the node. Okay, so how can I do that? Free of first. And what should I return? I should return a null indicating I do not have anything left out after doing this. So when I'm returning null, I cannot have void as the return type. I cannot have void as the return type. This is the reason why I had given like this. What was the return type given initially? Node, that indicates struct node star. Then I modified back to void. Okay, when I modified back to void, it was working fine for other conditions. But what about here? First has to be overwritten by null if I am deleting the only node that is available in the linked list. That's why I'm writing return type as struct node star. Capital NODE indicates struct node star. Yes, let me just do the thing that is commented by Praveen. What is that? I'll write something like this. First is equal to null. When I do first is equal to null, the null get copied into the first that is used in the main because it's a pointer. Both are one and the same. Either you can do like this or you can very well return the things. Both are one and the same. I hope this is okay for you. Yeah? No doubts? No doubts at this point? if I return, I will be returning null here, and definitely I'll be returning null here. Okay, and definitely I have to return first here. Please note the changes that I have done. Note the changes that I have done. Any doubt at this point? And when I return something, definitely the return type has to be struct node star. Comment quickly. Have you understood this? The whole function, have you understood this? I'll just glance through the things that has been written, and accordingly I will just overwrite this. Yes, first is equal to delete underscore rare underscore SLL first. Shall we go for running this program? I'll run this program and show it to you. Okay, just give me 1 minute of time. It takes time. Compilation error. Okay, let me just go back to the delete function. The deleted element. Okay, probably I have copied and pasted these things, so it is giving me an error. Okay, I'll save this, run it again. Okay, now let me write 1 and 10 is the element. Let me write 1 again, 20 is the element, 1 again, 30 is the element. Okay, now let me write, oh my god, case 5, I have not edited that, please pardon me. Case 5 indicates the display. 10, 20 and 30 are the ones that are there available as part of singly linked list. Now I will write 3 as a choice. Case 3 is for the delete. Okay, deleted element is 30. Let me give 5 as the choice. 5 indicates the display. Okay, so it has to be 6 or 7. I will stop it. I will re-edit it. I'll go back to main. It's working fine, correct? I'll go back to main and make this as 5. Yeah, this is case 6. Okay, so I'll give you 5 minutes of time. Can you just try on your own? Delete underscore front underscore singly linked list. Can you try on your own? I'll give you 5 minutes of time. I can call anybody, whoever name is called, that person has to tell me what is that I'm supposed to do for implementing delete operation from the front side of the singly linked list. I'll give you 5 minutes of time. Okay, your time starts now. Please try analyzing by taking an example, only then you will understand. You have to delete every time the front node that is available in the linked list. I think probably it is easier compared to the rare one. If anyone done, please comment done. Then I will get to know. Just 1 minute. I have to unlock the meeting. Yes, anyone done? Yes, Praveen, you are done? Okay. Let's wait for another 2 minutes. Praveen, you have a question? You have sent me the request message. If you have any question, you can go ahead, Praveen. Let others try. Yes, go ahead, Praveen.
Ma'am,
Huh?
why are we using first
Pardon?
temp? Ma'am, why are we using star with first or star with temp?
Pardon?
Like, ma'am, like in structures, ma'am.
Your voice
Uh,
is breaking, Praveen. Now,
uh, hello,
1 minute.
is it clear?
1 minute. Yeah, go ahead.
Ma'am, why are we using star with first and star with temp, ma'am? What's the main purpose, ma'am? Because, ma'am,
Star is
it is a
pointer,
structure.
right? Yeah,
Ma'am,
pointer to
it
the
is a
structure.
structure. Okay, ma'am.
Uh, pointer to the structure it is.
Ma'am, because I am thinking, ma'am,
Uh,
it is a structure variable, ma'am,
hmm,
and that structure node, ma'am,
hmm,
is already having a data part,
hmm,
info part,
hmm.
and a pointer part, ma'am, for keeping the address of the next
Okay, that
element, ma'am.
pointer part
So,
has to match with the data type of every pointer that is pointing to any node. The data type has to match. Yes, Praveen.
ma'am,
Huh?
what are the first is just say a variable, ma'am. We can access
First
the
is
elements
see,
like,
first cannot be a variable. It should be a pointer pointing to the first node. It cannot be
so
a
my
variable.
point, so a pointer is keeping the data, ma'am, and
Uh,
also the address part, ma'am.
yes. So you just think like this. The info part and the link part both are some values. Both are some values. Okay, they
Okay,
are they are addressed by one pointer. That is first. All temp.
Fine,
So
ma'am. So can't we use
link part contains the address of second node. It is not containing the address of the first node. It's not containing the address of first node. Who has to hold the address of first node? Are you
first?
getting this? Are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Link part contains the address of what?
The second node, ma'am.
Yes, the next node to which the first node is pointing. है ना? समझ में
Yes.
आया? Okay. So
हाँ, हाँ.
where should be the address of the first node? That also should be held by somebody, and that somebody is a pointer.
Okay.
Okay.
Because for simple structure variable, ma'am, we can access the elements like first dot info or first dot link.
हाँ हो सकता है. हो सकता है. You can use a dot operator also.
And these, ma'am, as
Huh?
you were explaining that current and previous variable, ma'am,
Yeah.
what are these? They're also struct node star type, ma'am.
Hmm. Because
Because, ma'am,
every time you're moving the pointer as a whole is moving. There is not talking about the link part or the info part. As a whole it is. Link part always is pointing to the next node. It is not the current node's address. When you want to have the current node's address stored somewhere, address is always held by a pointer variable. No one else can hold it. See, for example, if you I think you're talking like this. Previous is pointing to 20 and current is pointing to 30, correct? When previous is having already the link part, why should I require current again? And why should I require current as a pointer again? है ना? This is what your question.
ma'am, the question is like, ma'am, if we are declaring current equal to current of link of current.
Current
So
of
you are
link is
telling,
what? It is merely an address.
ma'am, it is the address.
Hmm.
You are saying it is in 20, ma'am, but it
Yes.
has to be stored 50,000.
Yes, it is 50,000 only. Current arrow link is what?
50,000.
Whenever address is there, variable has to be a pointer only. It cannot be a normal variable.
And if we and that and at the 50,000 position, ma'am, 30 is stored.
At the 50,000th location, 30 as well as 15,000, both are stored.
Yes, ma'am. So to access that element, we have to that value at address of star of.
I didn't get your last point.
Ma'am, so to access that 30, ma'am,
Huh?
do we have to use star current or not, ma'am? Because
Only
it is that
current it
value
is.
at address of it.
Only current. Star current, see, star current if you use, current is of what type? Current is of what type? Is it a normal variable? Current, is it a normal variable?
Oh, ma'am, star.
Stuck. So you cannot have only current there. You cannot use only star current there. It's not a normal pointer, it's a structure pointer. That's why you have to use arrow operator. Okay, Praveen. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Is there anyone else done with the solution for that? Yes, Abhijit, you have unmuted. May I know why you have unmuted? You want to ask anything? Okay, Ananya has commented yes. You are done. Ananya, you are done. Okay. Anyone else? Anyone else done? May I have, okay, Anushka has commented yes. May I have Ashita?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Ashita. Can you tell me what should I write for deletion of the, okay, Shreyas has commented yes. Can you tell me how can I delete a node at the front end of the list? What is the overall thing that you follow?
Ma'am, I think we should first assign a temporary element as null,
Hmm?
and then mm,
Okay, I'll show you this diagram. Okay, 10, 20, 30 and 40 and 50 are there as the elements available. Now if I want to delete from the front, I need to delete this 10. Okay, so can you delete 10 so easily? It is the
no,
head
ma'am.
of the list. Yeah, go ahead, Ashita.
First is
Hmm?
at 10, no, ma'am.
Hmm?
So we should then move the first to 20 and then
Correct.
delete the 10 element.
Correct. How can I do that? How can I move first to the next node? If I move the first to the next node, 10's address will be lost. Can I move first directly?
No, ma'am.
How do you move first to the next node? Okay, you continue with your answer.
First arrow link.
First is equal to first arrow link, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. But if you do that, 10 will be a dangling one. I have not freed the memory. It's still existing. Before moving the pointer first to 20, I have to make sure that I'm freeing the memory allocated to 10. Getting this point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now how can I do that? Can I have the assignment of, I'll do it for you here. Okay. You please comment on the thing that I'm doing. What happens after this line of code?
Both current and first are pointing to 10.
Correct. Now, if I do the one which you have told, okay, I'll be writing that. What will happen after this line of code?
Now first will point to 20 node.
Yes, what about current?
Current is still at 10th node, 10 node.
Okay. Now, if I write, what will happen after this?
Uh,
What
10 is deleted.
10 is deleted. Where will be first?
First will be at 20.
Correct. So these 3 lines of code will do that for you, correct? I will
Yes, ma'am.
assign the first node with somebody else. Okay, I'll give the address of the first node to somebody else, and I'll make sure that first is moving to the second node, and somebody else who is holding the address of the current first node, that I will delete it. I'll free the memory. Okay, so Ashita, is it clear for you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Is there anyone else who has done it something in some other manner? Yes, Shreyas, you have commented you have done this, correct? Can you tell me, is this the same thing you have used or anything else you have done? Shreyas.
Ma'am,
Huh?
I used if else statement, ma'am.
You use if else statement. What is that you have done?
Ma'am, if first is equal to null, printf list is empty,
Correct.
ma'am.
Correct.
Else current is equal to first is equal to link
Yes.
arrow.
I
Yes,
hope these things you have done.
yes, ma'am.
Same things.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Otherwise, what I will do? I'll write node current equal to first. Okay. Then first is equal to first arrow link. Then free current. But before that, I'll write printf the deleted element equal to what should I write? Which element getting deleted? Am I deleting current or am I deleting first? What is that I'm deleting? Current. Okay, Shreya, yeah, it is current. So I will write current arrow info is the element to be deleted. Then I'll write free of current. Then obviously I have to return the new first. Okay. So definitely I'll have node as a return type. Any doubt here? Any doubt at this point? Okay, now if I ask you, write a C program to implement stack using dynamic memory allocation. If I ask you a question, write a C program to implement stack using linked list or dynamic memory allocation techniques. If I ask you something like this, what all are the functions that you are taking into consideration? Push and pop have to be related to some functions over here. Think and comment. Implement stack using linked list. What can be mapped to push? Okay. Praveen has commented insert front and delete front can be taken as push and pop. Even I can take insert rear and delete rear. Correct? So combination of three functions, insert rear, delete rear and display, or insert front, delete front and display, will talk about stack implementation, that is push and pop. Yes or no? Okay, now with this background, if I ask you to implement linear queue using linked list, what all are the functions that you will be using? With the click of a button, you should tell me what all are the functions that you will be using to implement linear queue using linked list. Yes, it is insert rear, delete front. Correct, you are right. Okay. Now I'll end this session for today with a very important assignment. Take down. All of you take down. Try this on your own. 2 days time is there for you. Okay. Write a C program. Write a C program to implement a singly linked list, having elements arranged in the increasing order of their values, while insertion. In simple terms, write a modular C program to implement ordered list in singly linked list. Okay, it means what? Whenever you are trying to insert, it is just an implementation of priority queue. Okay, insertion done priority queue. Whenever you are inserting, you have to find the proper position of that element and insert. Suppose I have 10 as the first element. If you want to insert 5, 5 has to come at the front. So 5, 10 if they are the elements. 15 comes, then 5, 10, 15 has to be the elements. If 12 comes, 5, 10, 12, 15. So during the insertion time, you have to bother about the location of that element where it has to be inserted. Okay, I'll give you a hint for this. Yes, anybody can comment how you can do this. It's merely an idea how you can implement this. Anybody can comment on this.
The starting element.
Pardon?
Ma'am, we can go on checking. We can go on traversing the linked list, ma'am.
Hmm?
With parallel checking of the inserting element, ma'am.
Okay.
Is
So,
figure or
so let's say suppose the element to be inserted is a key. Okay, key element, or the element to be inserted is element. That element is checked against every node's info part. Every node's info part. Okay, how do you check it? Is the element to be inserted less than the current arrow info? Every node will be pointed by current. So if the element to be inserted is still less than, so you are moving ahead. You are taking current as an extra pointer to move between. Okay. Okay. To give you as a hint, you will require previous as well as current for doing this kind of insertion. Try it on your own and give me the solution by Wednesday. Okay. In Wednesday's class, we will be discussing about this. So I may ask anybody to share the screen from your side. Okay. And you can write it down and explain it, or you can implement it in your laptop or machine and then share that screen with me. Okay. So we will end the session for today. Thank you all. Please try it out.